Today I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of exactly how the Scanco Dashboard works with the warehouse product. As you can see, you have many tabs up here at the top, and they each display different information. And you'll notice that you have the ability to do a drop down here to look at different information pertaining to each tab. If we go back to purchase order, we'll notice that this is a list of all my open orders. And I can take a quick look at all the items here in this column. We can resort the items out. We sort it by PO. We could actually set a filter on an item code if we'd like. We'll set it to the item number equal to 8971, hit apply, and all open orders that have this particular item on them are listed here now. I'll clear out that filter. And also give you a quick look here at an additional piece of information we can provide is quantity ordered versus quantity received. This is nice to know what the variations on those quantities are. The receiving tab here will show you all the scanner users that have collected items and quantities pertaining to purchase orders. So these are items that are in process, currently being scanned. We can also show you the quantities ordered versus the quantities received. Quantity received versus quantity ordered will show you a total of the quantity ordered versus the total of the quantity received up to this point. And here we have on the receipt tab, this shows you all the receipts of goods that are currently in the system. And we can look at the orders that's been received with the vendor name, the batch number that it's in. We can drill down and look at the items. Quantities ordered, quantity received, and any variations. So this is showing you that there's a receipt in place right now where one of the items has not been received. We'll take a look at our open sales orders. This tab is showing all the orders that are open. And once again, all the tabs have the ability to filter out certain pieces of information pertaining to whatever you see in the grid. So I'll look at all my open items, and we have our quantity ordered, quantity shipped, and we can do variations on that. Now what you'll notice is that this says there's 125 rows, meaning records here, that have variations, and that is versus the 141 rows that are actually on orders. And if we take a quick look here, we'll notice that there are some items, like this one, that has been shipped complete. Picking. This tab will show you all of the scanner users that are currently running orders through the Scanco picking application. Indicates the order number, what warehouse they're picking in, and the item numbers and quantities. Once again, those are items in process. We can show you orders that have been picked. Now these are ones that have been sent through and all the items have been staged. We can see the staging location and the quantities. Scanco shipping application data can be displayed here. Now this will cover anything that you're running through Scanco invoicing or shipping. It will have the user ID, the order number. Once again, as each tab has, you could filter out by user ID or sales order number, whatever particular piece of information you want to filter on. We apply the filter and we can see what this one user has been doing. Clear our filter out, and let's say we want to see what has been done for sales order 175. I'll apply that filter, and here's all my items. We also have the ability to show you the quantity ordered versus quantity shipped. Look back at the history tables. Now here is one record that has been processed completely through the scanner. Rejections, nothing in that table at this time. This tab will show you all your open invoices in your Sage system. So once again, we'll have the sales order number and your items and quantities. Additionally, you can just take it right up to the order number level. Now, I do have some invoices that aren't related to sales orders created on the fly, so those are what's being shown here on my system. Transfers, this is data collected by the scanners that's currently in process. can see my item numbers and my quantities, including lot numbers, serial numbers, physical count that's in process. All right, so this is the user's ID that's collecting these particular items here have been scanned in. We can see our quantities collected and what warehouse they're working in. This particular set of records is going to show you exactly what has been recorded into Sage's physical count. Gives you a quick overview, of course. You can see the quantity that is on hand in your inventory master file versus what has been counted up to this point. Inventory receipts, as you can see, these are scanner user 777 and 111 has collected these particular items for receipt. I do want to mention that this programming can be customized, if need be, to display different sets of information. Depending on what it is exactly that you need, please let us know and we can discuss what it would take to further modify this programming to display that data for you. One feature that is offered in here under the settings is an auto refresh. And you may want to set this out to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending. At this moment, just to show you what it does in real time, I'm going to set it to 5 seconds. And what I'm going to do here is on my scanner programming, I'm going to receive item D1000, quantity 12. And what you will notice is that right after I enter that information, it's displayed within 5 seconds here. And this is my actual record. I'm logged in as 111, and I collected 12. Once again, a quick look at that feature. Let's say I run a lot controlled item through. I collect a lot number for today, quantity 50. Within 5 seconds, that data will show up on the dashboard. We can see my 50 here. So that's a nice feature. Includes lot number over here. All right, so in addition, there, under settings, you have the ability to limit how much history is displayed here on the dashboard. What this setting does is that if you collect a lot of data and leave it remaining out in your tables, you can eliminate it from being displayed. With the situation here is that I have data running back to February 4th. If I wanted to eliminate that data, I could simply lower the days of history and it would be removed from my dashboard. Thank you for your time. Please call us if you have any additional questions at Scanco. Thank you. Have a good day.